So now that Ableton 12.2 is out, I've had a lot more fun with Expressive Chords. So I wanted to show you something that maybe you don't know. But basically, you don't just get this with Ableton 12.2. You actually have to go into the website and download Expressive Chords. Now, if you downloaded it with the beta version, you're going to get a lot less presets. So if you've upgraded to 12.2 and never downloaded this before, or if this is your first time, go and do it again because you're going to get a lot more presets. So for example, if we just go into MIDI effects and then select Expressive Chords, you'll get a whole bunch of presets, which some of them are really unexpectedly good, right? So I thought initially this is more of a jazzy sort of feel to it, and it is definitely designed for a push. But for me, I can actually make music for this on my computer, and it just helps you select some chords that go together pretty well. It's not quite scalar in that respect because it is a little bit limited, but I'm going to have a bit of a play right now and give you guys a feel to what it can do. Let's go and start in this track here, and I've got Warm House, which is a preset that's in here. Okay, so I've played around and selected a bunch of chords I like, so I'm just going to record this in now into the track. So I have these recorded now, so let's just add a bit of strum to these. We can do a couple of things here. We can reverse the articulation, so the strum's going backwards basically. There's 8 different articulations to choose from, so we can choose a different type of articulation. Another thing I like is you can actually quantize the articulation to the closest 16th. So if you have a lot of articulation here and a lot of strum, what we're going to do now is we're going to send this M1 into a diva track. So just ascend it like that, and we're just going to go ahead and do some recording of that into a different track. So let's just do that quickly. So as you can see there, you can actually see now all of the notes that are included in those chords, and we can just simply take that and duplicate that and put that into the next track as well. And we've also put the same into another Diva plugin track. So all I've done there is add an arpeggiator. The gate's a bit long, so we'll just shut that down a bit. And we also have a beat. And this beat here, I've gone into warp beats and reduced the transients. Not that much, right? So let's just hear the whole thing together. Also on the Diva, we've got this kickstart ducking the bass. And we can do the same thing if we want. We just copy this kickstart and put that in here and duck the chords. And we can also duck the M1. So it just shows you how fast you can actually go ahead and create music using Expressive Chords. And as I said, there are so many to choose from. They all have some wicked combinations as well. So what do you guys think?